Here we present a retrofit robot application for the Modi Incoming Goods System version 5. The robot picks up the rolls, scans them automatically, labels them and then places them back in the next storage location. We thus cover the entire incoming goods process. There are capacity problems due to a shortage of skilled labor, which of course plays right into the hands of robotics. This creates the image that robots are replacing human labor. However, the fact that many skilled workers are not available and gaps can be filled by robots, which are excellent at these monotonous processes, makes it a very sensible and important solution.